Welcome to Sanctuary Arms Cafe, and this is what we got brewing up for you today. Today we're going to be taking a look at the, what is it called?
Canik?
Yeah. We're going to be taking a look at the Canik Mete MC9 Prime. And we're going to be unboxing it today, and we're going to be looking at everything that comes with it today.
Whatever.
So this is the box that the Mete MC9 Prime comes in. And it's kind of like the Canik TTI box. It's awesome. Look at it. It's a mini box of it. It's cute. Okay, so we're gonna open the box. We're gonna take a look at what we got. So you got your little plaque here. It shows you what it is. It's cool. It's Canik. This is a little. I'm trying to get it out. This is a little miniature gun, and on the inside of it, it holds all the little tools and bits and bobs to work on the Canik, and it also has some extra screws in here. It's just me, it's not the product. And then you have two textured back straps up here, two different ones. I'm going to take them and show them to you. So there's two different ones that come with it. And then we have a gun lock.
It goes on the bottom, come by the mag.
Oh, so you took this off?
Yeah.
That would be what those screws were for earlier. So, it comes with an extra magazine. Comes with an 18 round extra magazine. Comes with a magazine loader. And then we have the holster it comes with. If I can figure out how to get it out of it. It comes with a holster. So this is your holster. So this is what it looks like.
Left or right-handed.
And it also, in the bottom down here, I'm going to set this to the side for now. We're going to save this bad boy for last. Down in the bottom here, it comes with a paddle so you can carry it outside the waistband. And down here, there's also some tools and cleaning stuff for your
punch rod.
Yeah, for your Canik. So now we're going to show the firearm. This is the Canik Mete MC9 Prime. It has a beautiful trigger. A 17 round mag in it right now. And it also comes with an 18 round mag.
18 round mag.
The trigger is really pretty. I love the trigger on this one. It is optic cut. It has tritium night sights. I don't know if you see that. But there's the side and the front. And it has a ported barrel. Also, it feels really nice. It has a nice feel to it. This is just me personally. I'm going to talk about what I like about it. About the Canik Mete MC9 Prime. The slide is very slim. I do like it. It also has a very rigid texture, and I love that about this firearm as well. Also, the sights are really nice. I love the sights on this one. And the ported barrel, that's a really nice feature on this one too as well. I love the textured grips. This is very similar to my TTI Combat, and I love that about this firearm. The pistol trigger is really nice. I do like that. Also, the gold with the black is a really beautiful color scheme that they've added to this. This was our unboxing of the Canik Mete MC9 Prime. We are going to be doing a range video on it. We hope you guys enjoy that. If there's anything you want to see filmed with this firearm, please let us know and we will do that. Thank you guys for watching.